Right now, attention is turning again to the appeal process involving Nnamdi Kanu, as conversations continue across the country about what the latest developments could mean and why the presidency is keeping a steady position. Many people are watching closely because every movement in this case seems to shape public discussion. And there is a strong feeling that the next steps could influence the national mood in important ways. As you listen, please remember to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any updates, because this story is still unfolding and your support helps keep these conversations going. What is happening now is that the appeal remains a central focus, with legal arguments being examined carefully. Supporters of different views are following each court move, trying to understand whether the earlier judgment will stand or whether there could be changes ahead. The government under Bola Ahmed Tinubu has continued to signal that the matter should move through legal channels without interference, which many observers interpret as a commitment to institutional process. Across communities, discussions are calm but very active. People are asking questions about fairness, about national unity, and about how legal outcomes can shape trust. Some voices are calling for patience, saying that the appeal system exists to review decisions carefully. Others are expressing hope that whatever happens will encourage healing and constructive engagement across regions. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe, because staying informed is important, and your support allows us to keep bringing clear updates in simple language. As the appeal moves forward, legal experts are studying earlier proceedings from the federal court, looking at whether procedures were followed correctly and whether all arguments were properly considered. This review is a normal part of the justice system, and it gives an opportunity for any concerns to be examined openly. Right now, all eyes are on Nigeria because the conversation around Nnamdi Kanu has reached another intense level, and emotions are high across many parts of the country. From social media discussions to private conversations in homes, offices and markets, people are talking, reacting, and trying to understand what the future the presidency's firm posture. As this discussion continues, please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel so while others say it shows caution during the sensitive period. Change fast. What is clear is that the conversation is not only legal. Many Nigerians also touches on broader questions about governance and expressing excitement, and others remember to like this video and subscribe, because your engagement helps keep balance, not just because of court matters, but because this issue another important point deep is the role of public history, identity, in markets, offices, and the long-standing feeling of injustice and online spaces by many people are sharing thoughts about. It is important to explain this matter clearly. In some believe the appeal to everyone closure, can follow, while others think it may open new conversations really about dialogue and cooperation. Please like this video. This range of views shows how deeply the issue resonates step by step. Looking at the legal pathway, attention is now on the Court of Appeal, which will consider submissions from both sides. The process involves reviewing records, hearing arguments, and deciding whether there were grounds to change the earlier decision. Such reviews can take time, and patience is often encouraged so that every detail can be properly considered. Please like this video and subscribe so you can continue to follow each development with us. It is clear that there is also ongoing discussion about the wider implications for the country. Don't forget to many analysts say moments like this test the strength of institutions and the ability of leaders to manage complex issues with calm and responsibility. Some people point out that how situations are handled can influence public confidence and set examples for future cases. In communities, there are calls for peaceful engagement and respectful conversation. That is why it is leaders in different sectors are encouraging people to stay calm and allow processes to run their course. This atmosphere of careful observation shows a desire for stability and constructive outcomes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because more updates will continue as events unfold. Some observers are reflecting on the long journey that has led to this point. The involvement of indigenous people of Biafra in national discourse over the years has shaped debates about identity, governance, and regional development. The current appeal is seen by many as another chapter in a story that has attracted attention or lawyers within Nigeria. If you are finding this explanation helpful, people are also talking about what lessons and subscribe right now. There is a strong
One important
feeling
thing to
in
understand
many
is that
quarters
court
that
cases,
dialogues,
especially
patience,
ones
and
that
respect
reach the highest
for the
levels,
rule of law
often
remain
involve
essential
long
tools
procedures.
for navigating
Appeals,
difficult
reviews, and
moments.
legal arguments
Conversations on radio programs are not always immediate.
Often return
This
to
is why
theme,
it is important for
emphasizing
the public to
unity
remain patient
and mutual
and
understanding.
avoid spreading information
Please
that has
pause
not been
briefly
officially
to
confirmed.
like this video and subscribe.
Staying
because your
informed from
support keeps this
reliable
channel
updates
growing
helps to reduce
and helps us
confusion
continue
and
providing
unnecessary
clear
tension.
information.
Please
As we look
remember
ahead,
to like and
several
subscribe as we
possibilities are being
continue with this
discussed.
important discussion.
One possibility
Beyond
is
the
that
courtroom,
appeal
the social
continues
impact of
through
this
its
issue
normal
cannot be
timeline,
ignored.
leading eventually
Families,
to a decision
businesses,
that brings
and
clarity.
communities have all felt the effects
Another
of past
is
developments
that
linked
ongoing
to this matter.
discussions among leaders
For many
create
people, the hope
opportunities
is
for
not
broader
just about
engagement
one
that
individual,
supports
but
long-term
about
stability.
peace, stability,
Whatever the
and the
path,
ability to live
many
normal
Nigerians
lives
are
without
hoping
fear
for
or
outcomes that
disruption.
strengthen confidence
These are concerns that
promote
every Nigerian, regardless
There
of
is also
religion
interest
or
in how
background, can
international
understand.
observers perceive
Like this video and
developments.
subscribe if you believe
When
peaceful
legal cases
dialogue
draw
matters.
attention beyond national borders,
Another major part of
they
the
can shape
conversation
narratives
is the
about
future.
governance and institutional
People are
strength.
asking what comes next,
This adds
how this
another
will
layer of
affect
importance
national
to careful
unity,
handling and clear
and what
communication.
lessons can be learned from
Again,
everything that has
please
happened
like this
so
video
far.
and subscribe so you can stay
These
updated
are
as we
serious
continue to
questions
follow
that
the story
deserve
closer.
thoughtful answers,
In everyday
not
conversations,
emotional
people often
reactions.
ask what this moment
Nigeria
says about
is
the
at a
future.
point where calm
Some
discussion
see it
and responsible
as a
leadership
reminder
are more
that
important than
complex
ever.
issues
You
require
please like
steady
this video and
leadership
subscribe as we
and
continue
thoughtful
to
explore
dialogue.
these questions together. Others see
It is also
as
important
an
to
opportunity
see
for
this clearly
reflection on
celebration
how
or
the country
disappointment
should not lead
trust
to
across
unrest.
different communities.
Nigeria has gone through
The ongoing
enough
discussions
challenges
show that
and the
many
priority
citizens
for
are
everyone
engaged
should be
and
peace,
attentive,
safety,
which is a sign
and
of
respect
an
for the
active
rule
society.
of law. Progress
Engagement,
comes when issues
when
are
expressed
handled with
respectfully,
wisdom, patience, and
contributes
respect
to healthy
for human
public
life
discourse
and
and helps
property.
ensure that different
If you
perspectives
agree
are heard.
with this
Please
message,
remember to
please
like
this
this video
and subscribe, because your
participation
as
encourages
the situation
more
continues
balanced
to unfold,
conversations.
more official statements
As developments
and clearer
continue,
information
attention will
emerge.
remain on official
When that
statements,
happens, it
court
will be important to
schedules,
listen
and reactions
carefully,
from
verify
community
facts, and understand
Each
what
update
decisions
adds to
truly
the
mean
broader
for the
picture,
country and
helping
its
people
people.
understand where things
Rushing
stand
to conclusions
and what
often
may
creates
come
confusion,
next.
while calm analysis
Observers
helps
say
everyone
that
see the
staying
bigger
informed
picture.
through
Don't forget to
credible
like and
information
subscribe
is
so you
key
stay updated
during
with
moments
clear
like
explanations.
The
At
national
this point,
conversation
many
is likely
Nigerians
to
are
continue
watching
evolving,
closely, with people
waiting for
sharing
clarity
views
and
and
reflecting
hoping
on
for
possible
outcomes
outcomes.
that promote peace.
Through
and
it all,
fairness. There is a shared
no matter where
hope
you
that
stand on this
processes
issue,
will
it
lead
is
to
something that
clarity,
affects the nation
and that
as a
discussions
whole,
will remain
and it should be
constructive.
discussed with maturity.
Before I continue
and
deeper into
respect.
the unfolding reactions,
This channel will
the legal
continue to
nuances,
provide balanced
and what
updates
insiders
without
are
exaggeration
quietly
or
saying
harmful
about
language.
possible next moves.
Please like this
Please
video and
like this
subscribe
video
for
and
more.
subscribe so you don't miss any part of this ongoing coverage.